Hey entrepreneur, this is Mark Newsom, Mr. Marketing. Welcome to this special presentation entitled How to Get a Bank Loan Approved. Entrepreneur, 5 things you definitely want to take care of long before you even think about approaching your local banker. Ladies and gentlemen, this video is designed to make you aware of 5 extremely important, what you might refer to as pre-loan approval issues. And you need to take care of these long before you ever seriously think about approaching your local banker to try to get a loan approved. So basically, let's have a look at these 5 extremely important pre-loan approval issues and see what they are and why you need to take care of them long before you think about asking that banker for a loan. So here is issue number 1. Entrepreneur, are you giving away equity? In other words, are you selling stock in the company? Or are you just taking on debt? You're looking for a loan. Or maybe is this a purchase order financing? Is that what you're looking for? Or just an unsecured line of credit? Basically, issue number 1 is this. Do you know and truly understand all of your financial options that are available to you? There's lots of people, small business owners, before they go get a loan, they really are clueless. So here is issue number 2. How much money should you actually borrow? Because here's the thing. If you borrow too much money, your projections are wrong. If the same thing that happened in 2008, like when the real estate market blew up, you're going to be in a heap of trouble. On the other hand, if you don't borrow enough capital, you're still legally liable for that loan, and you don't have enough capital to make your objectives, become a reality. So you need to know, how much money do you need to borrow? You need to sit down with your CPA or your accountant and have a pretty good idea before you go asking a banker for money. Here's issue number 3. Entrepreneur, do you know if the particular loan officer and or that bank has any type of minimum credit rating standards, FICO, or any of these things? Are they issues? You better find out. Here's issue number 4. Ladies and gentlemen, do you have any idea how much emphasis your local banker will place on both your current and past debt obligations? In other words, credit card balances, both current and past. Your mortgage debt. How much does this pay a part? In other words, is that banker going to look at and say, hey, you had a few late payments, or God forbid there's a foreclosure in your past credit history? You need to know how this is going to impact your future chances of getting a loan. And finally, issue number 5. Even though your friends and family thought enough of your dreams to invest in your business, 2 things. Entrepreneur, you're probably paying a higher rate of interest as a direct result because your friends aren't licensed bankers, right? And they don't have FDIC insurance. And here's the other thing. You're not going to be able to establish credit when you took private money. So these are just a handful of issues, entrepreneur, that you need to look into, and you need to get closure and find out long before you ever approach your local banker. So hopefully in this video you've learned how to get a bank loan approved. And if you have, this is going to help you not just now, but down the road. So with that said, for those of you who want to discover how you can add an additional 25% more gross profit to your bottom line, do so in the next 90 days or less, then ladies and gentlemen, you definitely want that free 9-page special report. Just head over to youcanmarketonlinenow.com/sales because that's where you can get it. This is Mark Newsom, Mr. Marketing. We'll see you again next time on the Marketing Minute.